Thank you. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Judge.
Why the cool judge is not that cool. Most of you will be familiar with this video. A judge excuses an old speeder because his son is ill. Now here is the problem. In America this is completely normal, it seems. Unless this is a fake video. But in Europe, we have actual equality and a written law. What does this mean? We have written laws. Black and white listed in paragraphs. Everyone participating in a courtroom is a professional who has a degree from a law school. No random civilian sympathy voting. All participants know the written law word by word. When a case like this comes in, we don't care about the pity story. All the lawyers will do is cite laws. The law is you cannot speed. But there are exceptions. Once is if you have a distinctive flashing light. Like an ambulance. They will ask if the father had this. No. So he was not exempt from the speeding law. He could have just woken up earlier and not be late. Or call an ambulance if there is an emergency. The law is clear, you cannot speed. No matter if you are black or white, gay or straight, old or young. You must not speed. But if you say this cry story is an exception, you just made old dads be above the law, more than any other citizen in the country. He can speed. Why can't a mother rushing her kids to school? Why can't a doctor, hurrying to work? Why can't everybody else? This is how you make people really equal. Did you speed? Yes, or no. If yes, this is what the law says your punishment should be. No more, no less. It's written, it's mandatory for every single citizen. Exceptions are listed in the law. Now, considering this when I say all humans has the same set of rights. This is what I mean. It's written in the law, you can do this and that, you cannot do this and that, and no matter what your cry story or sympathy game is. No matter your skin color. No matter your financial status, you have the right to defend yourself against harm, then you can do that no matter what. You can choose yourself if a panicking crowd wants to stomp you to death. No matter if by saving yourself, you make them stomp another stranger. Nobody expects you to sacrifice yourself, because you have the written and inalienable human right to choose yourself and defend yourself. You cannot be requested to give up your health or life. Even if you are morally wrong, the law protects your basic human rights. You don't have to run back into a burning house to save a baby. You have the right to choose yourself and stay alive. So you also have the right to choose your own body, and decide not to gestate a fetus that will ruin your health. No exceptions. The right is inalienable. It's written black and white.